Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS high performance Wi-Fi 7 router and adapter including ROG Rapture GT-BE19000. So friend, ASUS introduced dual band and tri-band Wi-Fi 7 speed with its new ROG Rapture routers and latest adapter also showcased. So friend, ASUS announced three new cutting-edge devices with support for Wi-Fi 7, and these are tri-band and dual-band routers and adapter to provide high bandwidth Wi-Fi 7 support to measure for next generation wired and wireless performance along with low latency for competitive gaming. So friends, the new adapter and routers will enhance the gaming experience of user by offering up to 2.5 times faster speed than Wi-Fi 6 and significantly greater coverage by up to 73%, and the new lineup including the ASUS ROG Rapture GT-BE19000 router and ASUS RT-BE86U router and the ASUS ROG USB-BE92 USB Wi-Fi 7 router. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.